Listen, ChatGPT, GPTs in general are a great tool. They are a wonderful tool as long as you're using them appropriately. And one of the things that happens in GPT, because it's a software that is developing, AI is still, fairly new, is it is learning as it goes. And one of the things that one of the AI wants to do is to give you an answer. It wants to make you happy. And so to the extent that something doesn't exist, what it tends to do is make things up and package it in a way that sounds good. So for example, there are cases where lawyers have gone to court and cited cases that they have found on ChatGPT that do not exist. And they've been sanctioned by the law societies because they just got lazy and just put in a scenario in ChatGPT. And, as I said, ChatGPT wants to make them happy. So it says, in so-and-so case, this is what happened. And rather than going to look up so-and-so case in the actual legal directories and repositories, the lawyer doesn't and just puts that in their brief. And then the other side, when they're doing their cross-checking to find that case, sees that it doesn't exist. So you want to make sure that whatever GPT spits out to you, that you are fact-checking and double-checking the accuracy of that content.
Yeah, I think that's so important. And we actually did that as we were doing the podcast, because there was a couple of things that I brought up and went, that doesn't exist. And I looked up and we went, no, in fact, it doesn't. And then a couple did.